Sobrang dami. But, sobrang excited din ako sa question na to. Ibig sabihin ng gratitude, yan, ikaw ay nagpapasalamat every day. But it's not just in the words, but you must feel every word na sinasabi mo. There are times when you say thank you, parang okay na, okay, thank you. It's just a word, just to say it. But when you feel gratitude, when you say thank you and you feel it in your heart, iba yung mabibigay sa'yo na energy of that word that you say. When you say thank you from the bottom of your heart, talagang yung feelings na makakreate niyan. And pag nag-gratify ka, yung feelings magne-next level, magle-level up. And if your feelings becomes more stronger, na mas mataas, that will determine kung ano yung ma-attract mo sa buhay. Kasi yung feelings mo, that will attract your goal. That will attract the results that you want in the future. Bakit? Kasi pag sinabing results, definitely, it's happy. Diba? Talagang proud na proud ka. Talagang kinikilig ka every day. Imagine yourself riding a Lamborghini. Ano yung feeling na gano'n? Na nagdadrive ka na ng Lambo, kinikilig ka, nakangiti ka lang all the time, ang mind mo sobrang ganda na nakikita, and also you'll have such beautiful energy. No? Imagine yourself driving that. So that kind of feelings, you need to have it right now for you to be able to attract that kind of result. And that feeling will be generated from a very basic gratitude. At pagniramdam mo talaga siya. So once you say thank you, once you gratify everything, it should be in the heart. And another is kailangan mo maging grateful. Not just sa self mo, but to whatever life gives you. Like, halimbawa, may nangyaring something. Hindi mo inaasahan na parang hindi masyadong maganda. What should you do? You must see the beauty in it. Kasi pag nakita mo yun, ay, mas madali ka magle-level up sa buhay mo. Kaya if you practice daily gratitude, every day talaga, good or bad things na nangyayari, if you practice gratitude and you know that it's given to you purposely, definitely, yung vibes mo, every day, sobrang taas. And every results that you like will come to your life. So easy, so fast, so smooth.